Hello friends, welcome to Vitish Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to solve linear equations by using the method of substitution. So here let us solve the equations 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 9 and 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 22. So first let us consider the given equations as 1 and 2. And now let us consider the values of 1 by x as a and the value of 1 by y as b. So by substituting these values in the equation 1, we get a plus b is equal to 9. And let us consider this as equation 3. And here, coming over to the second equation, this equation we can write as 3 into 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y is equal to 22. So by substituting the values of 1 by x and 1 by y, we get here 3 into a plus 2 into b is equal to 22. And now let us consider this as equation 4. And here let us compare the coefficients of a and b of the equation 3 and 4. So we observe that the quotient of a and b are not equal in both the equations. So let us multiply the equation 3 with 3 in order to make the quotient of a as 3, which is the quotient of a in the equation 4. So we get here the equation 3 as 3a plus 3b is equal to 9 into 3. That implies we get here 3a plus 3b is equal to 9 into 3 would come as here 27. Now let us name this equation as equation 5. So here we observe the quotient of a in the equation 4 and the quotient of a in the equation 5 are equal. So let us subtract the equation 4 from equation 5. So we have here the equation 5 as 3a plus 3b is equal to 27. And we have here the equation 4 as 3a plus 2b is equal to 22. So let us subtract these two equations, and here as we are subtracting these equations, the signs of the second equation get changed. So here 3a would be minus 3a plus 2b would become minus 2b, and coming over to the right hand side, the value of 22 becomes minus 22. So we can cancel over here 3a and minus 3a of the first two terms, and coming over to the second terms of the equations, we get 3b minus 2b as b is equal to 27 minus 22 would be here 5. So therefore we get the value of b as 5. Now substitute the value of b is equal to 5 in the equation 3. So we have here the equation 3 as a plus b is equal to 9, and by substituting b as 5 we get here a plus 5 is equal to 9. That implies here we get a is equal to 9, and by transferring plus 5 to the other side we get here minus 5. So therefore we get the value of a as 9 minus 5, which is nothing but 4. And now let us substitute the values of a and b in the equations 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So on substituting, here we get 1 by x is equal to 4 and 1 by y is equal to 5. So on cross multiplying, here we get 1 is equal to 4x. That implies by transferring 4 to the other side, we get the value of x as 1 by 4. And coming over here, by cross multiplying, we get 1 is equal to 5y. That implies by transferring 5 to the other side, we get the value of y as 1 by 5. So therefore, we get the solution set as 1 by 4, 1 by 5. So let us verify whether this solution is correct or not. So in order to verify, let us substitute the values of x and y in the equation 1. So on substituting, we get here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 9. So in the denominator, 1 by 4 gets reciprocal, and we get here 4 by 1. And similarly, we have the denominator of the second term as 1 by 5. So it gets reciprocal, and we get here 5 divided by 1 is equal to 9. So by adding here 4 plus 5, we get 9 in the LHS side is equal to 9. So therefore, we observe that LHS is equal to RHS. And now let us substitute the values of x and y in the second equation. 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 22. So on substituting, we get 3 divided by 1 by 4 plus 2 divided by 1 by 5 is equal to 22. So in the LHS side, the values in the denominator gets reciprocal, and we get this as 3 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2 into 5 divided by 1 is equal to 22. And this would come as 3 into 4 is 12 plus 2 into 5 is 10 is equal to 22. And hence by adding 12 plus 10 on the left hand side, we get here 22 is equal to 22. and hence here we observe that LHS is equal to RHS. As here the solution set 1 by 4, 1 by 5 satisfying the equation 1 and equation 2, we say that the solution set is correct. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve the linear equations by using the method of substitution. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos of linear equations on our website vitishacademy.com. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.